That's supposedly said that most girls are not broke. They are either stingy. My own be say, you stingy or you no stingy. Eh? As a girl, there are certain things you are supposed to do for yourself. With or without a man, you are supposed to at least buy your deodorants.
Of course.
You are supposed to at least be able to make your hair. You're supposed to at least be able to buy your own clothes. You're supposed to be able to at least take yourself out for a date. You're supposed to have enough money to buy data and recharge card on your phone. Now, these are 5 signs of a broke girl.
That means he has a broke man mentality.
Exactly. What
because
is data?
a rich man
What
will
is
not
data?
complain about data, about
What is
hair,
making hair?
about
What is clothes?
If you are rich, a rich man will complain.
Exactly. Thank you.
A rich man will complain.
You just call me a broke girl on air.
I said broke guy
On air
mentality.
to the world.